Hi there. I will walk you through the setup process of your Atmocube Dashboard account. First things first, let's sign up. We need a few basic details: your name, email address, and password. Once you've created the account, you will receive an email with a link to confirm the registration and complete the process. Enter your organization's name and upload your company logo for a more personalized experience. Now you can add the locations where you will install your Atmocube monitors. Fill in the location name, country, and address details before selecting your preferred time zone. Once you've created your location, you can add specific floors, spaces, and you can upload floor plans to visually represent the devices on the floor plan. To add Atmocubes, you can go to the Devices section. You can connect the device to the internet via the Wi-Fi configuration mobile app or use an Ethernet cable. First, make sure the device is powered on. Second, go to the mobile app and connect to the devices via Bluetooth. Log into your Wi-Fi network. Third, enter the device ID in your web Atmocube dashboard. Feel free to name your device at your convenience and specify the device location. Place the device on the map you uploaded earlier for more straightforward navigation. After registering the device, you can go to the dashboard and check the status of the device. In your dashboard, you can view all the added devices, active and inactive. Hover over the widget to see real-time measurements or check historical data measurements with customizable charts. To examine the air quality data, choose a parameter and set a time frame. You can filter the devices by location and floor. You also have the option to switch to a map view and navigate between devices on the map. To invite another user to your cloud account, head to the Users section and select Invite User from the drop-down menu. Enter their email, first and last names, and designate their user role. In this instance, we wish to give a viewer access to one specific location. To do that, we opt for Custom from the drop-down menu and input the location's name into the viewer field. Click Invite, and your new team member will receive a notification. After their login, they will be able to see the data of the location with view-only access. You can customize access to different locations and provide other users with the necessary rights. Often, you'll need to use the data outside of the dashboard. For example, you want to show a particular data set or compare various measurements over time. For that purpose, we're going to export the data. To do that, go to the dashboard, select the devices and date range, and click the Export button. The export will start, and the CSV file will be available in the Export tab. Once your export is ready, download the file from the Export section. You can continue working with it in Excel or using Python. If you need to change your device name and location or set alerts, head to the Devices section in the left menu and select the Edit icon next to the device. Here you can adjust the settings and the device location. After you've made the changes, tap the Save button. Atmocube allows you to share air quality data on any screen, raising awareness of the air that people are breathing and showing them that you care. Therefore, if you want to display the air quality on a screen in a public space, you must generate a public TV link. To do that, go to Devices. Select the Edit icon next to the device, which data you want to broadcast, and scroll down to the Link section. Once you generate a public link here, you can add or remove the parameters you want to display. Once you make a choice, tap the Save button, copy the link, and paste it into your web browser to view it. You can set alerts and thresholds so that if any parameter value exceeds the set limits, you'll receive a notification in your email inbox and the Notification tab on the dashboard. In the email, you can see which device triggered the alert and the exact parameters that caused it. In the notifications section, you can sort and filter the notifications by location, floor, parameter, and date. You can change your preferences in your profile to ensure you are notified only when something important happens. To do so, navigate to your profile and choose the types of notifications you want to receive and how often you'd like to receive them. Once you've made your changes, save them, and you'll be kept in the loop without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. To configure parameter thresholds for a device, first, select the device from the dashboard to access its settings. Next, scroll down to view all available parameters and adjust their minimum and maximum values as needed. Once you have set the appropriate thresholds, toggle the notification button next to each parameter and save the changes to receive alerts when their value exceeds the defined limits. All users who have access to view the sensor data will receive these notifications. You can also set alert thresholds for entire floors or locations. To get started, go to the Location section and select the floor you want to configure. Click on the Settings icon, and then tap the button next to Update Notification Settings for all devices. From here, you can adjust the minimum and maximum value for all available parameters, activate the notifications, and save your changes. If you want to set notifications for an entire location, click the Settings icon next to the location name and follow the same steps. All users with access to the sensor data will receive these notifications. To configure your profile, click on the menu in the upper right corner and choose the Profile section. In the Profile screen, you can change first and last names and the account email address. Choose between metric and imperial units. Set minimum notification intervals. Turn on and off email notifications for different events. Change the account password and revoke the API key. To save the changes, click the Save button. All users receive a free basic cloud account, which can store 30 days worth of data. You can also add up to 5 devices. If you want API access to store more than 30 days of data, or to add more devices, please get in touch with our sales representative about upgrading to a Pro account with unlimited devices, data storage, and REST API access. Now you're all set. If you have any questions about the Atmocube Cloud Dashboard and its functionality, let us know in the comments.